LLY stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. Is Eli Lilly and Company stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief, short 1-minute video. This thing is just melting. It's just melting, you know, 2.4% down and stuff. Now, the only reality here is that if it does not give me a confirmation, it's so tough for me to be bullish here, right? It's just me assuming the run-up. And ultimately, it just, I mean, when you look at this, you just think that I'm just gonna immediately long this next week, bro. It's so ignorant. Unless I see a proper double break confirmation, there is just no way that I'll be touching this, like genuinely speaking. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, then just click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy. And I do have some previous receipts with this as well. Only 2, but that's that. See you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy, and stay tuned. First link in the description for free. Goodbye.